What's up guys, this will be the first gaming video I make. Sorry for the bad audio in the background. It's because I actually, it's raining where I am. I'm kind of tired because it's 5 in the morning where I'm recording this. So it's raining where I am. And I'm going to show you a place where you can find some really fun superbugs. So as you can see, I used to not care what my guy looked, what CJ looked like, but now as you can see I've gone all out and spent all my money on it. So as you can check, I started this video outside the police thing because last night at the dinner table I got bored. I was playing this game a bit and I accidentally came across these superbugs. And I actually have a no commentary video where I show off the superbikes, which I'll be posting that after this video. And as you can see, I only have this one thing for OG. Please comment down below, or don't let you comment, just I don't know, just like and subscribe, please. But anyways, so my OG. You have to go to Mad Dog's place and get his rag book. So it's pretty hard for me because when I try and kill the first guard with the knife, I take a lot of damage. Right, so then when I don't try and kill the rest, but then somehow I end up taking lots of damage from that first guy. And then the second guy just grab a vest. Oh, okay, yeah. You grab a vest and then exit around the cops. What? Someone was in your car the whole time? Since when? So anyways. And then you gotta grab his round book and then they all just know where you are and start shooting at you. Sure, maybe. Oh, yeah. So yeah, I'll come to this exact spot that I marked. It's like just up from the racetrack, and you can come up in there. I think they always spawn, and I'll show you what else you can get in here. But look how sick this bike is. I think they are like one of the fastest bikes in the game. Double exhaust, everything. This is what's my favorite now because it's red. And there's another one upstairs, but another thing I just wanted to show you, if you come in here, you can grab grenades here, and of course you can throw them, but then I've hunted. Anyways, let's go. How do I screen record it? Okay, good. So as you can hear, the rain is picking up a lot. I was trying to get in the less noisiest room of the house, which is the bathroom. So yes, I am recording in the bathroom. Like he kind of weird, but... And here's the last one. Oh, okay, it's not the second model. The second model, you would see a exhaust on this side and another exhaust on that side. But yeah, so basically you check the same model, and you also get a gun, yeah, which is also pretty cool. You get a full set of stuff, and also, yeah, if you want, you can hit this trap like I do. Let me just. I did this in the no commentary video that I'll be posting after this. As you can see, I am on the grind for 10,000 cash for a new house. Okay, yeah, I messed it up. You land on there, then you jump there, then you jump there, and then so on. Like and subscribe. If this video gets to 5 likes, I will post the video on where to get the sniper rifle. And I'll try and find the double barrel shotgun again and make a video out of that. if I do get 5 likes and the sniper rifle video gets 5 likes. So it's basically planning for the future. So yeah, I'm trying to put that double barrel shotgun. But if I can't find it and I don't get that content to you, oh well, I'll just try it out. Wait, I actually want to show it to you this video. Okay, hold up. That's good. Better get me some more likes for this. As you can check where I am on the map. Just up there. So you don't really need a car for that, it just takes a few tries. So I'm sure it's up here somewhere. Let's just up on that building up there. What's I doing here? No, it's not up here. I just remembered it's in another place. Oh, sorry. Oh, well, anyways. Can get that content to you, but hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one.